Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make this slow cooked honey garlic pulled chicken. This recipe is perfect when served with buns or wraps. It's so easy yet very delicious. Let's get started. Alright you guys, so I have my crock pot here ready and I have some chicken breast in here. We're going to start by seasoning the chicken breast. We're going to start with salt and pepper. And in this bowl I have some thyme, oregano and rosemary. And we're also adding some red pepper flakes. We're also going to add some olive oil. Alright, I'm just going to move the chicken around so I can get the seasoning on either side. Next, we're going to add some vegetables. I went ahead and chopped up some onions, red and yellow bell peppers. I'm going to add those right in. This is going to add a whole lot of flavor. Alright, once this is done, we're going to put together the honey garlic sauce, which of course involves some honey. Into that I'm adding some soy sauce. And in here I have minced garlic and ginger. I'm going to add those right in. And then I am also going to add some sweet chili paste, about 2 teaspoons. Don't forget, I'm going to leave all the ingredients and measurements in the description box. Alright, so we're going to mix together. We're also going to add some brown sugar, okay? I almost forgot that. Okay, now we're going to mix everything together. The sauce is so good. Once everything is mixed in, you're going to pour this all over your chicken and veggies. I like to roughly toss everything together. Then all we have to do is cover this. We're going to slow cook this for 6 hours. So I have it on 6 hours. And all you have to do is sit, relax, and wait for dinner. By the way, if you don't have a slow cooker, you can just do the entire process and cook it on low heat for 6 hours. I'm just gonna eat a cookie. Okay, so it's been 6 hours and the chicken is finally done. Okay, now all we have to do is shred the chicken. Okay, so you're going to grab 2 forks and start pulling your chicken apart. It's going to fall apart very easily. Okay, this part is optional, but I like to thicken the sauce, so I'm pouring it into a pan over medium heat. And then I added a little more brown sugar to the sauce because slow cooking kind of cooks out the sweetness a little. So make sure you taste the sauce and add more brown sugar if you want. I am adding cornstarch mixed with water to thicken the sauce. I'm going to continuously stir and cook this for 2 minutes until the sauce thickens. And that's it. You're just going to pour the sauce all over your shredded chicken and dinner is ready. Very simple and easy, super tasty and flavorful. I garnished with fresh parsley and sesame seeds. We served with some buns and fries. You can also serve this over rice or put it inside of a wrap. If you guys want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there.